In a forgotten alley, a lonely cat wandered, hungry, tired, and invisible to the world. With no one to care for him, he searched the trash for scraps, dirty, rotten. But it was all he had to survive. Then came the others, well-fed, clean, proud. They saw him, but not with compassion, only with judgment. They mocked him, laughed at his struggle, whispered cruel things as he ate from the garbage. To them, he was a joke. Nothing more. His heart heavy, he turned away in silence, carrying more than hunger, carrying shame. But just when the world seemed its coldest, someone saw him. Not with pity, but with kindness. She didn't walk away. She knelt beside him and offered him food, fresh, warm, clean. He hesitated, but his hunger and her gentle eyes pulled him closer.